Here's some free horsepower mod for you guys with old cars. Now, if you ride motorcycles, you're very familiar with what this is. This is called a cable luber. If you're into cars, you probably have never lubed your throttle cables or clutch cables or anything like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this cable luber and then take that hose, insert it right there. Oh, just dropped it right here, all right? And that's gonna spray lubricant inside the cable because it forces it out. And as you can see right there, it's nice and sealed. The thing is, you just gotta go to the other side where this exits and put a rag so you don't drip, you know, lubricant all over your carpet. But this makes a huge difference, dude, if you have an old car, because these cables right here, they get dried up, and when you step on the throttle, you can feel that it's dragging a little. It's like driving your car without oil versus with oil. And once you have it all lubed up, it's very snappy, very responsive, and that's why I say free horsepower, because it feels like, dang, you just got a lot of extra horsepower, because now you can step on the throttle a lot quicker because it's very soft and it just glides through this little tube right here. So let me show you how this is done. Get yourself a rag because this is going to be a mess. And then we're going to insert this tube in here. I've had this can of throttle lube for like ages, or cable lube. All right, and just grip it like this and then spray away and just listen for it. There's a little bit in there. I think I need more, but you get the idea. What you're gonna do is just spray until it comes out of this side. Check this out. Dang, that's pretty good, huh? Look at that, no resistance, nothing. I'm just bouncing it off right here in the front of the car with a pedal. Gucci.